cool. I got 2 more questions for you. Number 1, should we be using ChatGPT for like blogs and articles, SEO purposes for our websites?
Yes. The question is though, how should you be using Chat GPT? My mother-in-law is on this kick now. She's developing her LinkedIn profile and she's writing posts and she's in like the healthcare safety field. And she's like, yeah, Chat GPT is a thing. She calls it Chadwick, right? That's her nickname for it. And she puts a post up and I read it one day and I'm like supporting her. I'm like, go mom, go. I come into the office and I'm like, mother-in-law, did you just copy a verbatim from Chadwick and post it into your thing? And she's like, yeah, that's what you told me to do, right? No, I asked you to go in there, give it your prompts, and then go back and take the ideas that it gives you and rework it, reframe it in your tone, in your voice. The key with Chat GPT, and I'm no expert in it, listen, I'm still playing with it like a lot of people are. Garbage in, garbage out. You've got to figure out how to communicate with it where it gives you what you need for the audience and niche that you're speaking to. And it's probably beyond GPT. You've probably got to start looking at the other software that uses Chat GPT as a complement, and it stores the pieces that you write and it looks at them as reference. So it builds up a knowledge base of how you write, your tone, how you speak, the niche you're speaking to, the data points that you use over and over. So it's a great, powerful tool. You just have to use it wisely, young Jedi.
That's right. With great power comes great responsibility.
There you go.
Right? No, that's true. And honestly, like I think we should all be using AI, and the question is, how do we use it? But there's a lot of different ways, and kind of again, like, listen, a lot of times we can't figure out how to use it until we start using it and figure out ways not to use it, like your mother-in-law. And you know, they're like, okay, well, maybe I shouldn't copy and paste straight out of there, but maybe I can have it. I think my little brother was on here earlier. He was saying use it to make a detailed outline and then create an article out of that, right? Or, you know, have frameworks built with Chat GPT, you know, stuff like that. So awesome advice there. Yes or no, will rev share pickup and delivery exist in 5 years? What do you think? You got an opinion?
Are we speaking like the Poplins and SudShare type models?
I'm assuming, well, the first one that popped into my mind was, I think Happiness is rev share, right? So I don't know if we're talking consumer based rev share model or both. Either.
Yeah, well, their model is like it's totally different than like the SudShare, Poplin, and I see a bunch of others coming online that are doing it. Will it exist? Yeah. The question is what form and fashion. When I look at the economics of some of them, I don't really understand it. And you know, not to put them on the spot or put them on blast, I have no opinion either way, you know, good or bad on it. Someone like using Poplin as an example, they charge, I think, $1 a pound. And then the washer, or I forget the term they use for them, gets 75 cents. I've done the math. I don't understand it. 75 cents a pound, and I wash it at home. I got to drive, my time. I don't see the profit on it for the individual. It's money for them to have real quick, maybe to make some money to do something short term. I don't see a long runway on those economics at $1 a pound. I believe there's a huge opportunity for rev share done in a certain way for customer protection, as well as we'll say the washer, the independent washers, protection and incentivizing them monetarily. Yeah.